Here are the approaches to problem solving. Several approaches have been advanced to explain the problem solving abilities of individuals. So, one is the behaviorist approach, reproducing a previous behavior to solve a problem. So, a person faced with a problem solution is likely to use the same solution previously used and was effective in the past. So, for example, to prepare the garden before planting, pig matok is traditionally used because the crop science teacher told it so. In contrast to the reproductive approach advocated by behaviorists, the Gestaltist approach problem solving is a productive process. Colors experiments with apes underscore the role of insight in reconstructing of a person's representation of the problem. Problem solving cycle. Problem solving is a complex process. It is not a single skill, but rather an overlapping of some thinking skills, as logical thinking, lateral thinking, synthesis, analysis, evaluation, sequencing, decision making, research, and prediction are likely to be involved. Here's the steps to solve a problem. Step 1. Identify the problem and opportunities. Step 2. Define goals. Step 3. Explore possible strategies. Step 4. Anticipate outcomes and act. Step 5. Look back and learn. Step 1. Identify the problem and opportunities. As a problem solver, we need to determine the challenges that we are dealing with. For example, you are given a task to report a specific topic, so you need to determine first what is inside the topic. Step 2. Define goals. We need to know what is wrong and plan strategies to know the purpose of our challenges in life. Continuing the example on step 1, we need to plan what are the solutions needed to our topic to be able to communicate the audience. Step 3. Explore possible strategies. We need to discover different ways to find the solutions of the challenges we are dealing. Continuing also to the step 2, we need to discover what are the possible strategies to make your audience listen and have fun, like giving them first an energizer. Many strategies are suggested to make problem solving easier. However, the two main strategies used are heuristic and algorithm. Heuristic is that being able to learn on your own through what we see or read. There are three suggested general problem solving heuristic for moving from a given state to a goal state. First, random trial and error. Second, hill climbing. And third, means ends analysis. Random trial and error is when we are testing any solutions repeatedly until there is one solution that is most effective and accurate. Hill climbing is when creating or finding a solution that are very close to the real goal. Means ends analysis is when trying to solve a problem by analyzing your perceived goal. The second major strategy is an algorithm, the use of a series of steps to solve a problem. The elements of an algorithm includes clarity, what is to be done, define inputs, outputs, results, and predictions. Doing the standards algorithms for the fundamental operations mathematically required doing the same steps repeatedly with each place value columns in a given problem. So here is the example. Step 4. Anticipate outcomes and act. We need to think that our chosen solution has either good or bad results. For example, in the continuation in step 3, we need to think if our strategies can cause the attention of our audience or not, or if they are satisfied or not. Step 5. Look back and learn. We need to double check and know who can benefit the solution. Learning from our own mistakes can help us try different ways to improve our learnings. Barriers to problem solving. First, the mental set is when you try the past effective solution, but when you use it in a new situation, it is not the right solution. For example, a physician might see a new patient with symptoms similar to certain cases they have seen in the past, so they might diagnose this new patient with the same illness. The second barrier is functional fitness, is when you see that an object has other uses. For example, when someone has long hair, using a pencil or pen as a substitute for a hair tie or a rubber band. The third is failure to distinguish relevant and irrelevant information is when we are unable to determine the important and unimportant information.